Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications from Agoda. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in agoda.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Agoda website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the sign in button at the top section and use your social accounts or your email address and password to log in. After logging in, you will be taken back into the homepage from which you can start booking for your travel purposes. Now, if you wish to turn off any email notifications that you are receiving from Agoda, just click on your username at the top right corner and then underneath My Account, go ahead and click on Profile. Now, within the profile page, underneath User Details, just scroll all the way down and you will find the email subscription section. If you don't wish to receive any email notifications, click on the Never option. You will also see the booking assist reminders as well as promotions and offers related to your trips. You can turn them off as well by simply tapping on the toggle. However, it is recommended that the last option is set to yes. Finally, after turning all of your desired notifications off, you can go back to using the Agoda app as normal, and now you will not get any more email notifications unless extremely important ones from Agoda. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off email notifications from Agoda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.